Today we're going to learn how to add resource calendars and also to create, to reserve times for your resources. So the first thing you'll want to do is you want to go ahead and sign in with your GAFE account. Make sure it's your school account and not your personal account, because you will not find these resources in your personal account. Then come up to the little grid and find calendar. Now, all I have right now is one calendar, and that's my calendar. I can create new calendars by coming up to my calendar, and I can create a new calendar. So I can create a calendar for my lunch, for a lunch menu. I can create it for homework or for my snack menu. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to go to other calendars. You'll only need to go do this once. I'm going to say browse interesting calendars, and then I'll come up here to more. Resources for GunnisonSchools.net, and I'm going to subscribe. I right now just have GCS's resources, but I will be adding all the other schools' resources, so subscribe to the ones that you want. You only have to do this once. I'm going to go now back to calendar, and now I can see all these calendars. If I don't want to see all of them, if I just want to see my calendar, I can come up to here and say display only these calendars. So the ones that have the color on it are the ones that I'm seeing, and you'll notice that there's nothing on these. So if I just click on them, then I'm seeing all of those. So if I create a new event, it'll automatically default to my calendar. I can change that calendar, and I can just go to the computer lab calendar, and I could do it right on there. I can just leave it here. I like to leave it here because that way I also have it on my calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and put Powell, and I'm going to reserve the computer lab tomorrow. But here's the important part where it says rooms. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to see what rooms are available. If a room is not here, that means it's already been booked. So I'm going to click the computer lab right there, and then I'm going to click save. And there it is. Now it's on my calendar, the blue, and it's on the GES Computer Lab calendar, which is the green. So if I just go here to just displaying only this calendar, you'll see that it's right there. Now let's just test this out. I'm going to log out, maybe, and I'm going to log into a different account that I've created as a test account. So I'm going to log into this account here, not my personal one. Again, these will not show up on your personal account. And here's my calendar. So now I have not added any other calendar. So again, we'll go here to browse interesting calendars, more, resources for GunnisonSchools.net, and I'll subscribe to the same 4 elementary school calendars. And then I'm going to go back to calendar. Now you'll see that it says busy for this time. Again, if I decided that I wanted to create an event, so let me put Powell 2, and I choose tomorrow again, and the same time, if I click here to rooms, you'll notice that the computer lab is not available. Now, I can cheat, and I could click in GES Computer Lab, and it will schedule something over somebody else's. So let me just say save, and you'll see that it's already, then I just rescheduled over here. But you don't really want to do that. If the resource isn't available, then do not create another resource for that time. And that is as easy as it is.